Breaking news coming in at this point of time. This is one of the many instances proving how money was spent on bogus purchases by the UP government in order to facilitate cuts. 400 ambulances dumped in the yard for more than a year in Lucknow. On 13 July 2010, the state of Uttar Pradesh had placed orders with Tata Motors for 988 ambulances. The state was not in a position to utilize these vehicles till date. On this, the centre has expressed surprise on such a purchase and waste of money. Let's go across to Niranjan, who joins us in the Mumbai Newspit. Niranjan, clearly a shocker coming from the UP government, such a waste of money after the purchase of ambulances.
That's right. It's just one of the instances that we've been able to gather at this point of time, Rhythm. Let's also tell you that Times Now is in possession of the NRHM report, which details some of the irregularities as far as Maya government is concerned. The state of apathy in UP government, one instance being that of the procurement of ambulances. On July 13th last year, the state had placed orders with Tata Motors for 988 ambulances, out of which, Rhythm, just about 150 ambulances have been lying idle, and 620 ambulances still remain unused, dumped at the Tata warehouse. That's not all. The state was apparently not in a position to utilize these vehicles, and hence the order for these 988 ambulances should not have been placed in the first place. Let's also tell you that this report details what's happening as far as the UP government is concerned, as far as the funds that have been unutilized, and those which have been utilized have now gone waste. Just to detail some of these findings here of the NRHM report, for procurement of vehicles for EMTS from Tata Motors, rupees 7,000 lakhs was received on 16th of July 2010 by the UP government, out of which just 4,259.7 lakhs have been utilized, and a balance of 2,740 lakhs was still lying idle with the DGFW of the UP government. Now, as far as the ambulances are concerned, of which this money was used, nearly 600 of those ambulances are still dumped, is what we're given to understand at this point of time, Rhythm.
In fact, let's also go across, Niranjan, to Pranshu, who's joining us from Uttar Pradesh. Pranshu, clearly a waste of money, 600 ambulances dumped. How is the Uttar Pradesh government going to be explaining this?
Well, see, as far as the Uttar Pradesh government is concerned, it's definitely not willing to explain any of the anomalies. But yes, these particular findings have been highlighted into the probe which was done at the behest of the central government, and that probe report has exposed this bungling. And now clearly this bogus purchase of the ambulances, in fact, it clearly points to the game of the entire commission, the entire cuts in the purchases. Clearly, the state government has to reply to this particular question, that why these ambulances, more than around 900 in particular, were purchased, even when no service provider was decided. It wasn't decided as to how these ambulances would be operated, and the sources within the NRHM tell us that even till this date, the state government, the state's family welfare department has yet not decided as to who the service provider would be, and the reason, and therefore we see that out of these 900 ambulances, 600 are still lying dumped at a particular yard in Lucknow. Some we can see clearly in the footage, and the others are lying dumped at the other location in the city itself. Out of 160 odd ambulances which were in fact shifted to various districts, they also we are getting reports that they are lying unutilized. So clearly it shows that the government, the people in the part, the people in the family welfare department, the ministers and the officials, they probably went ahead to order the purchase for these ambulances for more than 100 crore rupees only to facilitate commission and cuts. So clearly a very sorry tale coming in from the state government. The state government clearly has to reply to these questions.